Today we're going to be making slime. Ooh. So we're going to be making gunky green slime, oozy red slime, and goo blue slime. But before we begin, if you've watched my previous video, I told you that we're going to crack the dinosaur eggs, and I'm going to show you a video of how they look after they've hatched. So this is how they look like right now. So I'm going to begin taking out the dinosaurs. Ooh, they feel so gooey. Wow, they're so squishy. So these dinosaurs, I've waited for today so that they can play with the slime that we're gonna make today, but they feel so squishy, like you can twist them and twirl them. They're gonna love the slime. So I'm gonna put them right here, take out all my dinosaurs. Oh, look at the egg. Wow, this one is still in the egg. Look at the egg. This is how the egg looks like. I'll take out my dinosaurs. So here we have a pink one. And they're all T-Rexes, so Tyrannosaurus Rex. Look at that. So we have a green one, a pink one, and we have another pink one. Oh, this is a different dinosaur. So this goes here. And then we have another one, another T-Rex. Here we go. Another green squishy T-Rex. Oh, and this one is a gray one. Look at that. Looks like a lizard, a big lizard, but it's actually a dinosaur. A gray dinosaur. And we have one more left. Also a pink one. Okay. Look at that. Here we go. Alright, and these are our eggs. Look how cloudy the water looks. Ooh. The eggs are all broken down and hatched. I'm going to put these eggs on the side. Okay, now we're going to place our dinosaurs here. I'll just place them on the side, and when the slime is ready, we'll get to play with them, with the slime. Okay, so now that I've placed my dinosaurs in front of the cups, I'm going to start making the slime. So let's begin with the gunky green slime. So I'm going to take my cup over here, and I'm going to open this box. See, it says, turns your water into gooey slime. Ooh, can't wait to see that. Oh, then there's an instructions guide over here. Turns your water into gooey slime by Simply Kids. Interesting. Let's see our slime bag. So here it is. The slime is all in here. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up with my scissors and slowly pour it into the cup of water. And then I'm going to mix it up with my stick right over here. So I'm gonna watch how the slime turns. I'm gonna watch how the water turns into slime. Let's watch. Okay. It's already getting thicker. Ooh, it feels so slimy already. Needs more slime. Okay, I think that's a lot. same thing I'm gonna do, but with the red slime this time. So I'm gonna open this up. See here, look, it looks pink. Okay, and finally we're gonna get our blue slime. So it's goo blue. Ooh. Let's open the box, get our slime powder out. Look how cool that looks. So cool. Blue, oh, I love blue. Blue is such a pretty color. Look at that, everyone. Look how pretty this blue is. It's so nice. Alright, so we're gonna get our scissors. Open it up. Get our mixture, get our stick for mixture, pour it in, and now we mix. After we've mixed it up, I'm gonna let it sit for a while, right over here.
And now I'm going to get the green slime. Look at that, everyone. Ooh, it's already so slimy. So I'm going to get a little bit more. Wow, look at that. It's so nice. Ooh, I love playing with slime. Look at that. My dinosaurs are going to love it. And you know, dinosaurs, look at that. Oh, it feels so cool. Yeah. You can play. Look at these guys floating around in slime.
Okay everyone, so here's our slime. Look how cool that is. Ooh, so gooey. Wow, it feels so slimy and sticky. Ew. Let's try the red one. Ew, look at that red one. Ew, it's so slimy, but it feels so good. Wow, I love that. Look at the dinosaurs playing in the slime. They so love it. Let's try the blue one. Ooh, it's all the way at the bottom. There's like a layer of slime. Look at that. Look at that slime. Ew. Let's pour it on the dinosaurs. Let them play in the slime. So gross. Look at that ball. It's a huge chunk of slime right here. Look at that. Oh, it's so slimy. Ew. The slime is just getting bigger and bigger. And the green portion, look at that. The slime. which turned into pink. And then we have the green slime. It's really awesome. Hey, look everyone. Look who decided to join the slime party. We have the Shopkins and the Trash Bag Gang. They're so excited to be in the slime. Whee! Especially this guy right over here. He loves slime, don't you? Don't you? Ooh, look at that. Ew. They love being in the slime. It's a slime party. Oh, I'm having so much fun. So am I. Yes, you are, Wobbles. Ooh, look at this guy.
I love slime.
Yeah, wee! They're all having a slime party. Here's Wishes. Hey Wishes, how do you like the slime? Oh, I love it! What about you, Lippy Lips? Oh, this is so much fun! Look at that! What about you, Boots? What do you think?
I'm having so much fun. This is awesome.
Yeah! Let's jump into the slime pool! Whee! Whee! I wanna go! Whee! Whee! Delish Donuts, which one do you want to go into? I want to go into the blue one! Here you go! Whee! What about you, Wobbles? Which slime pool do you want to go into? I want to go into the red one! Alright, here you go! Whee! There we go. What about you, Dinosaur?
Let's go to the green one. Join the rest of the dinosaurs. Woo!
What about you? Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the blue one.
Alrighty, here we go. Whee! Whoops! Oh no. Let's try that again. Whee! And you, cutie, where do you want to go? I want to go to the pink one to join the other Shopkins. Alrighty, here you go. Whee! And you, Wishes, where do you want to go? I also want to go to the pink one. It's actually the red one. Okay, I want to go to the red one. Alrighty, here we go. Woo! What about you, Trash Bag Gang? Which one do you prefer?
Well, since I am the blue one, I want to go into the blue one.
Alright, Diarrhea, there we go. Bombs away. Pew! What about you, Goggle? Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the green one. Join in with the dinosaurs.
Alrighty, here you go. Ready, set, pew! Who's left? We have Dinosaur left and Lippy Lips. Where do you want to go, Lippy Lips? Well, of course I'm going to go join in with the other Shopkins gang. Alrighty, here you go. Go into the red one. Ready, set, pew! Bombs away. What about you, Dinosaur? Where do you want to go?
Well, the other dinosaurs left me all alone, so I think I'm just gonna go to the blue one with the trash bag. Diarrhea.
Alrighty, here you go. Woo! Wow, look at the slime. Look how slimy it is right now. So, look at put my fingers in it, play with it, mix all the colors up. See, we have red and green and the blue one. And it's all mixed up into this big glug of slime. Cool. Oh, look at the slime. So cool. It feels so nice. Let's carry some in the Shopkins basket. Oh, so awesome. Look at that slime, people. Wow. Now we have a basket full of slime. Ew. Gross. So gross. This is better than Orbeez. It's really awesome. Cool. It's back between the fingers. So cool. Look at that. Cool. slipping through my fingers. Ah! What are we doing? I know, I have an idea. Why don't we get the cracked eggs and mix them up with the goo? Yeah, here we go. Here are the eggs. Ooh, look at the crumbs, the tiny eggs. Mix it up with the goo and the slime. Yeah, look at that. It's a slime party, everyone. Slime party, slime party. Whee! Look at the eggs. You can fill them up. They're like little baskets of slime. Let's fill them up. Who wants a basket of slime? Who wants a basket of slime? I do. I want a basket of slime. Well, that's for you. You can have this. This is your basket of slime. Ew, it's so slimy and slippery. Do you want to eat it? Yeah, I want to eat some. Alrighty, you can eat your slime. Who wants another basket of slime? Which one of you? Seems like diarrhea over here. I do. I want a basket of slime. Okay, here you go, diarrhea. Here you go, Mr. Trash Bag. We have another basket of slime right over here, coming up. Who wants it?
I do. I love slime. We trash pack gangs love slime.
Alrighty, here you go. Here's your trash bag. Here's your basket of slime, Mr. Trash Bag. I want a basket of slime. I love slime. Okay, Wishes, here you go. Yay. Let me fill that up for you. Here's your basket of slime. There we go. Who else wants a basket of slime? Who else? Lippy Lips? Yes, of course. I love slime. My lipstick is a little bit slimy. I want a basket of slime. Here you go, Here you go, Miss Lippy Lips. Here's your basket of slime. There you go. Oops. Here you go, Miss Lippy Lips. Here's your basket of slime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 basket of slime. Here's another one. The 6th basket of slime. Who wants it? Who wants this basket of slime? Let's see who's gonna be the lucky one. Oh, it's Wobbles from Shopkins. Hey Wobbles, you want your basket of slime? Yes, of course. I love slime. Ooh, I'm so excited. I want my basket of slime. Whee! Here you go. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, they're all just crummy eggs. You could just mix it up with the slime. Look at that. There we go. Let's just mix it up. Mix up all the slime and the eggs together. The eggshells. And the dinosaur eggshells. Let's fill it up. And we can place the rest of the dinosaurs in this basket. Ew, look at that. So slimy. Let's place our dinosaurs in here. So these dinosaurs right over here in the green slime. Hey dinosaurs, why don't you sit in the slime basket? Have some fun. Who else wants to join? Any of you guys? Yeah, I want to join the slime party. Whee! Whee! There we go. The dinosaurs are enjoying the slime party. Oh, here's Booty Boots. Hey, you want to be in this Shopkins basket full of slime? Yes. What about you, Mr. Donut? Delish Donut? Yes, I love slime. Whee! Okay. Here we go. Your wish is my command. I'm going to shower you all with slime. Shower you all with slime. Okay, everyone get in the basket. Because the party's going to be over. This is going to be your last slime basket right now. Here's the biggest basket ever. We're going to jump out of the slime basket. Let's do that. Anyone else? Is there anyone missing? Oh, you guys fell out. Come on, Trash Pack Gang. Yeah, here we go, Mr. Dinosaur. Dinosaurs, not falling. Yeah. Okay, everyone. Whee! Ew, look at that sticky stuff. Ooh, look at the basket full of shells and slime. Did you, Delish Donuts? Yes! Pixie Toys, it was so much fun! I want to keep playing the slime, but I guess it's time to go now.
Yes, it's time to go right now.
Alright, so say goodbye, Trash Bag Gang and the Shopkins. Say goodbye to our little pixies. Bye, little pixies. Bye-bye. Bye. Hello. Bye. Bye. I have one question, Delish Donuts. Yeah, what is it? What is it? What happened to the dinosaurs at the back? Oh, I know. Yes, Wobbles. I know. Well, they've all fell asleep. They're so tired and they had so much fun today in the slime party, but now they're all asleep. Right there behind me. Oh, that's too bad. Well, it's time to say goodbye. So, Lippy Lips has something to say. So, my little pixies, if you've enjoyed watching the slime party, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the Pixie Toys channel to see more fun and slime and games. And maybe some more slime parties. Right, Pixie Toys? Of course, we're gonna have some more slime parties. Whee! Yay, I'm so excited! So super excited! Whee! Alrighty, so, oh yeah, I forgot to say one more thing. Don't forget to send this video to all of your friends. And make sure they also subscribe to my channel. And see you next time, little pixies. Bye!